Hi everybody, welcome to Cracked Lacquer Nail Studio. I'll be doing acrylic and gel designs with 3D and even 4D sculpting and of course bling. I will also be sharing some tips for growing beautiful, healthy, natural nails and how to deal with nail product allergies. There will be affiliate links for the products I use in the description box below. Please like and subscribe, and please hit the bell if you want to be notified of future videos. In this video, I thought I would challenge myself to make an emerald birthstone. So first, like usual, I am putting on the clear coat just to make a strong apex and free edge. So I made this really pretty carnation pink with a little bit of shimmer and a little bit of glitter out of the mica powders and a little bit of white acrylic and clear acrylic powders. And sometimes I find little bits of the pigment powder that I didn't quite get mixed in. Sometimes it makes an interesting look in what I'm doing, but in this case I didn't want it in there. This is going to be like a baby boomer style, so I'm going to start blending it up here and then I'm going to add some more and blend it down a little bit further. I make sure I go to each side of the nails before I blend down. That just gives you an advantage on even strokes. Make it blend better. I'm using the shimmering white pearl acrylic powder that I've mentioned before to, I'm putting it on, I'm not blending it quite yet because I want to build the gothic, the soft gothic edge before I start blending. I just want to get that out of the way. Then that's done, and all I have to do is blend the product upward to make the baby boomer. I'm not really concentrating much on the nail today. I'm concentrating more on the emerald. It's quite a process, and I didn't want this video to be really long. I really try to pay attention to how smooth I get the clear acrylic. It just takes less time to file after, and that's another reason why I file the nail before I put the clear acrylic on. It just helps make a difference, and you can fix things before you put the final acrylic, the clear, on. It's time for me to make my emerald. This is the first layer of the emerald. I'm going to do two parts. I think it would help putting the mylar not on the bottom of the whole stone, but if I put it on the first section, I think it'll show better at the top. I pre-chose the mylar pieces and already had them planned out how I wanted to lay them on this first section. It just looked to me like it would actually look more realistic the way I had put them. I'm hoping I'm right. I'm gonna be a little picky. I'm going to use a top coat before I put the second layer of the stone on, just to hold that mylar in place. Trying to get it right in the middle to stay, but it's really runny, so I kind of had a little issue with that. But also I thought maybe it would help with the mylar to glisten a little bit, to really pop. Time for me to make the second layer, so I'm just going to use the rest of this light translucent green, and I am going to swirl a little bit of the dark in there, just a little bit. It's not going to take much, but it'll give it a little bit of depth. That little dot was pretty much the same color. It might have had a little dark in there. Just figured I'd use it. Need a little more alcohol on my brush, it seems. This builder gel I made, and it's a little on the sticky side, so I need a little more alcohol, I think, than the regular slip that's actually slip. So the emerald, it's all cured. I've shaped it and buffed it. So I'm just going to put the clear coat all over the whole thing. Now I'm ready to apply it to the nail. I'm going to use acrylic, a clear acrylic this time. Usually I just use a gel, like a top coat, but I think it needs a little more strength. Now it's ready for some bling. I'm going to use my dotting tool there to put some clear top coat around the sides of the stone. I just didn't want big blobs of it, so I didn't want to use the brush. This just gives it a nice little track to put the stones in. Now it's time for the bling. This is the fun part. Well, it's all kind of a fun part, but This means you're almost done. I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to make it into a shape like it's a necklace. Not original, but it kind of looks cute. There it is, all done. It looks pretty good. Looks like an emerald to me, like a rough cut emerald. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.